Hi, my name's Mike. I'm here with Bosch Power Tool, and we're here to talk about our Profactor line of hammers. In my hand is the SDS Plus 1.25" hammer. Next to me, I have our two SDS Max Hitman hammers. All three of these hammers are launching in new kit versions. This product has 4.3 foot-pounds of impact energy. It also has 3 modes of operation, from hammer drilling to chiseling, as well as a reverse function. It has anti-vibration control in the handle as well as in the impact mechanism, and has kickback control in the event of a binding situation. This product runs on our core 18V platform, and now you can get this tool with the 8 amp hour battery.
Hi, I'm Mitch Burdick with Bosch Power Tools. What I have here is the new 1.9/16" SDS Max Profactor hammer from Bosch. It has 5.2 foot-pounds of impact energy, making it a great hammer for drilling and chiseling in concrete, while also being very compact and lightweight. It has a couple modes of operation. It has the hammer drilling and the chiseling mode. It has an HMI user interface, which allows the user to customize some of the settings. It also has a lock-on button, which in chiseling mode only allows the tool to be used more efficiently for long-run chiseling applications. It has kickback control, which helps reduce kickback situation when the bit gets into a bind situation. This tool will actually run off the core 18V 8 amp hour batteries and 12 amp hour batteries. We're showing it here with the 12 amp hour. So we are launching new kit versions with 12 amp hour batteries for extended runtime. What I have here is the new 1 7/8" SDS Max Profactor Hitman rotary hammer from Bosch. This tool has 9.3 foot-pounds of impact energy, making it an awesome tool for drilling and chiseling in concrete. What's also different about this tool is we put the battery up front to make it more ergonomic in long-run applications. The tool has 2 modes of operation, hammer drilling and chiseling. It also has the HMI user interface where the user can customize some of the settings. It has a lock-on button in chiseling mode only to make it more efficient when long-run chiseling applications. It also has kickback control. So this helps reduce kickback situations if the bit gets into a bind situation. The tool runs on both the core 18-volt 8 amp hour and 12 amp hour batteries. We are launching new kits with the 12 amp hour batteries, which provide extended runtime.
These hammers make up our Profactor line, getting corded performance out of cordless power tools.